Okay, hello, welcome back again with me Puni, and today I'm gonna show you a song from Coldplay with Viva La Vida, and in this tutorial I use an easy chord from G major as the root, okay? And if you want to play this song originally, you just use your capo at the first fret on your guitar, okay? Let's get started. And okay, at the very first I wanna tell you the strumming pattern is so easy, just like this. It's just down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Just repeat and repeat and repeat, okay? And we have to jump to the song. And disclaimer first, to avoid copyright claims in this song, so I just sing at the early of the lyrics, and I hope you can understand it, okay? And after the second song, you repeat the ref again until the end of the song, okay?